Salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today's another edition of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills to see what treasures we can find today. We are in the city of Anaheim, and we are in front of the Goodwill off of, I believe it's Euclid. So this is the Euclid store in Anaheim. There's a couple here, so if you guys want to come here, this one's the Euclid store. This one's a really great one. They always have some pretty good stuff. This one's about like a medium-sized store, so let's go inside and check it out. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale for all my thrifting adventures. Check it out, they have like this Balenciaga lookalike bag. Definitely not Balenciaga though, unfortunately. Hey, this is that Zara bag that was like super popular. Was it? It's missing a bunch of stuff though. It's missing one of these things. One of those is missing right there. The stitching is coming out. The crossbody is broken. Gosh. Look at this Steve Madden bag. It looks like a Givenchy. And look at this one that looks like a Dior. Jeez Louise. This is the Oscar de la Renta for a Target bag. And this is like a bag that looks almost like a Michael Kors, but just has M's all over it. Oh my gosh, I love these little side tables. How much are these? Oh, okay, so those black tables are $30. This one's $15.99. Or it's $20, which is pretty nice. Ooh, look at the fringe on those. That print's actually kind of fun. This looks like a Pottery Barn lampshade. Doesn't have any stickers or anything, but it looks very similar to a Pottery Barn lampshade. It actually might be a Pottery Barn lampshade. How many times am I going to say Pottery Barn lampshade? What if the lamp is sitting here anywhere? This is cute. Too bad Eliza's a little too old for this already, but this is like a really cute toy. Ooh, they have blue and white vases. They're cute. I like the ones that have more like depth of color. This is the Hearth and Hand. $7.99 for this guy. This is cute. I'm very into this like kind of look right now with like the, it's not a speckle, but that finish. Oh, I wish this wasn't broken. This would be so cute. Little bucket. This is nice. $7.99. Oh, you know what? I really want like a giant thing that looks very similar to this. It'd be actually kind of cute to have a small. Oh my gosh, this weighs like 8 million pounds. She was. I think that's really cute. Just have like branches coming out of it. Would be spectacular. This is also very nice. $14.99. Hearth and Hand. Hot dog. This is a cute mug. What does that say? Rest? I'm just like looking through the dinnerware and plates and stuff. Popcorn. Seeing if they have anything cool. Not really spotting anything yet. Let's see. I found a couple pretty cool platters here. But for some reason this particular store places a lot of their like dinnerware pretty expensive and aggressively. This is so pretty. $8. I think I just found some oh no, these are not Pottery Barn plates. for Target. I thought they were MLKs from Pottery Barn, but they're not. You guys look how cute this is. I like the print. It's very like anthropology-esque. Okay, it's Kim Parker Home, Emma's Garland by Spode from 2006. It's pretty. $7.9. Oh, this is half off though too. Interesting. It's a possibility. Let's see what else we can find. I think this might be what is it called? Pampered Chef. And it is $10 though. I think we'll pass on it today. Maybe if it goes on sale. I don't know why I like cool soap dispensers. Sounds pretty interesting. These are kind of cool too. $7.99 each. Those are like really cool and graphic, right? Interesting. It's like from Target, but from like a while back. Originally $40, now they're $8. They have a ton of great like pumpkin stuff. That soap dispenser looks kind of like the one that I have at the house. I think it's also Opal House, but I think it's a little bit different. I love like things like this. I have a bunch of those for like planters. This little frog votive thing is so adorable. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, these little birds. Look at them being cute little birds. This is cool too. This pumpkin thing. This ribbon is also pretty nice, and it's only $5.99 for like 1,000,000 yards of it. 149 yards, I think, is what it says. Imagine it's like plain, like is this stretchy? Oh, it's not ribbon. It's stretchy. I mean, you can still use it. Literally the cutest helmet. Oh my gosh. I think Eliza has this one, and then Zach has one very similar to this. Look at that like orchid thing. It's actually kind of cute, but looks a little stained, like it needs to get washed or something. Oh man, this is like from Restoration Hardware. From probably like back in the day. This is probably like pretty old. Trying to see how much it is. I wanted to put it somewhere where I can get a good look at it. It's a little too stained and old. Like it's honestly not the best. I don't know if we can clean that off anymore. Maybe, but it's $10, so. Oh, I really like these tables. I wish they weren't so expensive. Check out these Adidas. They're like cleats or something, I think. Are these Allen Edmonds? They are Allen Edmonds. I love Allen Edmonds. Stop. Okay, so I love these shoes. I think I might get them. And I also found these Ben Sherman shoes, which are also pretty nice. What's this? Something Bass. Madden. Remind you guys that a hole in the bottom of them, so I'm not gonna get them. Maybe I can find another pair. Man, they fit me too. Let's see. Come on, shoes. Palladium. Palladium. Oh, Cole Hans. These are still kind of cute, but they're tiny. I said grandpa. I was like, yes, grandpa shoes. That's me. Love it. Cole Haan boots. Oh, these boots are pretty nice too. You guys, check it out. I found this Kate Spade mug. It's only 99 cents, which is crazy. And then this cool little like stemless cup thing. Holds cold drinks up to 9 hours. Hey guys, let's go out. Let's see what we have back here. Give us like an Urban Expressions. Interesting. Donna Buckman. Looks like a furlough, right? Candace Cole Reaction. Let's see what we have on this side.